Oi, I feel like I'm going to drop my phone when it explodes.
Tell me when you're going to do it. Yeah, should be recording anything at the minute. I'm not ready. I'm sending it to my match because I'm going to use it to bed set like this. And to blow up, so not very long. Can I just warn you? It's going to be a very, very bright light.
Yeah, last year we actually used to play cards.
So don't look straight at it, please.
I'm not looking at it.
Right.
I'm looking for my phone.
Ready?
Okay.
I've got three or five.
This we did perfect.
I've already got one of those. Right, phones down.
Just literally
Phones down.
See.
And then I've got my sacrifice. Now it's a little pink baby this time. The other day I had the red one. Today it's a little baby. And then
There we go.
I thought it started then.
quite loud.
That's why
I did it on the introduction.
Yeah, Miss, we've seen it on the
Some
introduction.
of you might have seen Screaming Jelly Baby before.
Yeah.
It is one we like to do.
What, is there actually a jelly baby?
Yeah.
Have you got any more?
Now I've got one sacrifice.
Oh.
Second
I want one.
Poor Jelly Baby.
Oh, really?
I'll put my flash on.
No
I
one's
can't
seen.
see. I'll tell you what, put the back one back on.
Make sure I put my flash on.
Yeah, there we go. That.
Maybe I Right, still melting, it's not done yet. What is it? Get ready. Oh, I did this last time.
That's the...
Wah, wah.
I think it's
Jacob.
did this too last time, spat it out.
Yeah, no, no, it's sound very old.
This jelly bean is on fire. Like your screen game now.
This is why people live in Snapchat.
Jesus Christ.
Every